We're back from our holiday, 2 weeks in Dubai. Has anything changed? Charlton's still losing. He's still on the Red Bulls. But right, we are on this single story extension. So in this video, it's basically all footings. But the problem is we've got a manhole, and tucked in the corner there is another manhole. Water mains, pipes. It is all sorts going on, so I'm just going to show you a video on how we're going to get over it, if we get over it. So let's crack on. Right, so we've set up a line. This is the external wall. So obviously you want to go about 100 mil past it. We've just discovered this little bad boy under all this moss. Mate, this is a tricky dig. That is a fucker. Just while Pansy is changing the blade on the grinder, give you a little score line here. We've got a score line here, hopefully gives us a nice straight edge. Gonna can go this bad boy out and then try and get around this motherfucker. Basically gonna get a score line all the way up there. We've got a single story and then we've got a porch along the front. Score lines all the way around, can go it up. So you are looking to get an extension done. A little something like this. You got a house, you think, oh, I want to put a downstairs toilet in. What do? Step one.
Architect, design consultation, and ideas of what you can and can't do.
Step two.
Apply for planning permission and get planning permission granted.
Step three.
Building control drawings, sent off to building control to then sign it off on completion. Step four. Start digging.
Get some helmets to dig. Come on, that's what we're here for. I know some clever bastard out there is going to go, why don't you get a digger? Because there's so many drains, mate. It's just going to go through a pipe. So that's why. Mad to you. Oi, oi. Look at this for progress. We've got one pipe, another two pipes, 3, 4, 5 pipes. And look at that, that fifth pipe. That is unbelievable depth. Talk about like foot in hell. Foot in hell.
Money scrape.
Did you ever hear about the two dyslexic gas inspectors?
No.
One went into a room and said, "Can you smell gas?" The other said, "I can't even smell my own name."
It's so shit you gotta laugh.
Oh my god. I'm here all week. Yeah, we've been digging down the gas, water, or that could be gas. Well, I don't even know which one's which. I
think that's gas.
That's probably gas. Water, electrics, pipes everywhere. Absolute hell. So the inspector is coming out tomorrow. Hopefully he says we can bridge it from here to there, but it's about 3 meters. More than likely he's gonna say put that through there and divert it to that manhole there, which is gonna be long. So yeah, stay tuned, see you in the morning. Oh, have a look at this. You never know. Someone's sitting in traffic. There you go. Oh, we have a butch. There you go. Do this.
I thought I was doing it for 1 week, you're working me.
Good morning, we are back.
All three of us are forgetful.
We're in man's vlog. Good morning, we are back. We have had news from the engineer and we're not allowed to put a lintel in. The pipes has to stay and we need a still. So we're just waiting for the engineer to give us measurements for a still. But realistically, the still has got to cut a hole under the house into the existing brickwork so it can sit on the pad. Yeah, about 4, 5, 6 metres still here. So for now, we can pour this pad.
Ready tape?
No. We've shuttered it off here. We've got a bit of foam over the gas. Alfie, why do we need foam over the gas? So don't concrete around the pipe. Boom. No expansion on the pipe. And then we can fill this up with concrete. Thanks. What mix are we doing the concrete at? 4 and 1. 4 and 1. That basically means 4 shovels of that to 1 shovel of that. Happy days. A little bit of a tip. Whee! Oi, oi. A little bit of a tip to speed the process up. If you can cut a bag in half like that. Hans does 15 shovels of these to 1/2 a bag. Save, keep smashing the shovels out, just cut a bag in half. Here we have it. We've got a nice solid footing. We've got 2 lintels to go over here. We've got 1 concrete pad here. Now we've got a steel coming in here. So we've just got to shutter it here and pour another pad in there. So for now, it's all about backfilling this, ready for the steel. Boom! Just like that. Backfilled. Pad. Backfilled. Pad. All we need to do now is wait for our lintel, our steels to turn up. Bang them steels in, and that, my friend, is how you do the footings to an extension. If you follow our this little channel, give it a subscribe, give it a like. Next week we're going to show you how to do the oversight and the setting out. So stay tuned, see you next week. Thanks for watching. Peace.